Bato. What still define us is when we have the storm come. Should that storm come, and I may put sooner or later, be not afraid. Compose yourselves and be
Video
brave.
to. Pang YouTube to.
We should
Tingin ka sa camera. Pang YouTube. I-upload ko.
We are the proven victory.
Hindi, i-upload ko pa lang. Sir, pang YouTube to i-upload ko.
Ilalagay
Sa YouTube.
Mga ganyan. Then,
Kaway. Taas kaway.
yan ang tinatawag na testing na tayo kasama dito.
Ayan, sir.
It is only then that you can say that I am a Filipino engineers. I am a Filipino seaman. I am the best of my friend. In closing, let me say, what is essential is to make value and defend your own. Overtaking tayo. Actually, this is not just overtaking and ordinary overtaking. Yan tinatawag namin na kayo ang nagdala ng pangalan pagdating sa bato. Kung ano man ang resulta sa mga nakatulong sa mga